Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Karim again, and today I've got a very special brother and a guest, Mr. Musinguzi, and he also has a famous YouTube. Actually, he's a famous YouTuber, and he's like, if you really want to see something cinematic and really nice, you need to check out his channel. I'll be giving the link in the description. And Mr. Musinguzi, yes.
Hi everyone. I'm glad to be here with Karim, the traveler. An amazing Ugandan living here in Uganda. I know some of you will argue about that, but I consider him a Ugandan because he loves Uganda.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm very honored to be with him on this in this video.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so we are here. We're trying to create some content. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, yeah, and enjoy what we're going to be creating with him.
Yes, let's take you around.
All right.
See ya. All right, guys. I also got some other YouTubers with me over here. Let me just, introduce you.
Hey guys, my name is Gladys at Gillian's.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey guys, I'm Sarah at Sarah Tourist. Please go subscribe to our channel, and if you might subscribe and you haven't subscribed to her channel or his channel, please kindly go and show some love.
Yes, subscribe.
We are here having like fun.
Thank you so much, guys. With Mr. Musinguzi here again, and we are at Impala Monument. And
yeah, this is this monument just shows us the impalas which originally occupied the Kampala, because Kampala is made of 7 hills, and these impalas used to live in Kampala. So this monument just shows us, and this is the source of the name Kampala, where it comes from.
wow, guys, this is amazing. Like, oh my god, I'm surprised to see this. And it's Gorilla Monument, and it's one of the famous tourist attractions in Uganda, and it's in Kampala. And if you're in town, if you're planning to visit Kampala, you need to see this place, and you need to visit this monument as well. I'm really amazed, and this is the main tourist attraction for tourists. Usually people come to Uganda for these gorillas. Guys, now I'm at the Independence Monument, and I'm gonna walk there and I'm gonna show you that closely and also some details about it. Right, guys, so that's it for today, and thank you so much, Mr. Musinguzi.
Most welcome.
And guys, don't forget to subscribe to his channel because he's got the best content. I'm gonna leave his link in the description. You need to definitely go visit, because people who are from Pakistan, India, they want to see, like, say, Karim, you don't show us the outside. You want to see the outside? You need to go inside his channel.
And he's also now bringing you outside. He has started today, and he's going to be showing you more videos of Kampala and Uganda.
Yes, exactly. And just let me know how the video was, how I did. As you know, I'm like, my side is totally different. So let me know how your video did and how you liked it. And leave your comments and let me know if more places you want to see. I'll make more videos on this.
Alright.
So see you guys in the next video. Till then, thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Stay blessed. Peace.